Guys, today's in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on messenger apps. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook official apps and then tap on top right corner three line button and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Please wait for loading and select first box, Meta Account Center, and then scroll down and select your information and permission and select download in your information and tap on download or transfer information. Tap on available information. Tap on download to device. Tap on data range. Please select your duration. I am select all time. Then save. Tap on notify. Select your valid information. Then cross format. Tap on HTML size. Then media quality. Default select medium, otherwise if you choose this any option, then create file. I have finally recover your information. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.